How to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you need to launch CapCut application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in into the CapCut with your preferred account. So once you're on this page, now you have to open up your space in your device. Once you're here, next to project section, there is a button for space. Tap on it and that's gonna show your space right here. If you have not created any space yet, make sure to create a new space. In order to create a space, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and from here now you can create a space. Now once you have created a space, tap on your space from this space and here you need to upload all of your project that you want to transfer to your PC. If you want to add project, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and now upload your project. Once you're done uploading all of your project that you want to transfer, now you have to share the link to this space. For that, tap on this share or the profile icon at the top right corner and from here tap on copy link. Once you have copied the link to this space, now you have to share the link. You can share via WhatsApp, so you can open up WhatsApp and share the link to yourself in WhatsApp. So once you have shared the link, open up the WhatsApp in your laptop. There you will have a link. Copy the link from the chat where you have shared the link from your mobile device. Once you open up the link in WhatsApp on your PC, you will see your space opened up in your laptop. So from there, you can have access to all of your projects that you have uploaded to your space. And that's all for today's video, and that's how you transfer CapCut projects from your mobile to PC. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.